This is my recently installed T-Rex center stand for my Tiger Sport 660. What I did different is I used these stainless steel cap screws instead of these, so they won't protrude as far and they'll look more in keeping with the style of the bike. I used the third setting on the height because the second one, as it is provided, was conflicting with the side stand when it was raised. And this is how it looks on the left side. The stand looks like it might touch the chain, but when you're riding the bike, it's a good inch above the stand, or at least when I put weight on it, it is. Let's see how easy it is to raise and lower the bike. Well, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? Let's try lowering it. And that was too.